How are you doing?
Same here. Yeah, I'm doing great. So, what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic. So,
Okay, how's your practice going on?
like, uh, my I'm not consistent enough these days, so my practice is not going that much good as I expect. But yeah, I'm trying to I try to get back on the track.
Okay. So, what was happened? So, because of that, you were not continue.
Like actually, at my house, the construction work is going on, so I'm quite of a bit occupied in that. So that's why I'm not getting enough time. And on the top of that, I get over the data, by the end of the evening. So I left with no data, so to speak. So that's the quite bit. Some reasons you can say, because of which I'm not, able to continue with my consistency.
Okay. So, how many days have you been? You are not connecting with co-learners.
It's been like more than a week, maybe.
It's not
Yeah.
a long time.
For me, it is, like I just afraid of taking too many gaps. Even if I take 1 or 2 days, 2 days of gap, then I feel very horrible, and it is something which I found very uncomfortable because I don't want to miss any days in which I cannot, practice with someone. So I need at least one conversation in it.
Yeah, definitely. It happens with me as well. Well, I don't converse, so I also feel underconfident and I forget lots of things. And again,
Right.
started feeling like I'm very poor in English like that.
Exactly. It
But
feels like I'm beginning again. I'm starting the all of these things again. So things go thing doesn't go smoothly. So that's why I just
yeah,
avoid having gaps.
yeah, we should avoid having gaps because it's harmful for our learning process. But
Right.
I am also not getting much time. I want to do lots of things, but I don't know why I'm not getting much time. And I want to learn more things. I have plan in my mind, but I'm not able to do that thing. But I'm trying. Very soon I will
Yeah.
apply that things on my learning process. Recently,
Mm,
I am just conversing, and but I'm not doing any practice. But I practice with co-learners every day. Means earlier I used to watch lots of videos every day, but nowadays I'm a bit
mm,
busy and quite
mm,
busy, you can say, and because of that, I'm not getting much time. So, but I have to focus on my study again.
right. Same here.
But I
Like
am
having said,
consistent.
yeah, right. That's fine, and you should be consistent. And I was not consistent, but having said that, I was listening the content, and even I was having conversation with myself. Like I sit alone and speaking with myself in English. So these things I was doing, but I was not having conversation with the person.
Yeah. This is
Yeah,
also good if you are doing conversation on your own and you are watching content. So this is also good. At least you will
yeah, it's
able to
bad.
remember all the things.
Right, it's better than doing nothing.
Nothing.
Like you're doing
Yeah,
something.
yeah, definitely. When we listen
So.
somebody, so we get lots of new words and
Hmm.
we learn how to converse with each other others. So this is also matter.
Right. So how is about your YouTube channel? How it is going on?
It's going well. Means slowly
Great.
it is growing. People
Okay,
are
that's amazing.
liking um, videos and they wants to connect with me. I'm also giving
Hmm.
time to them one by one who wants to
Right.
connect with me. So this is
Right.
how it is going on.
And like these things keeps you motivated. For me, it works as a fuel to me. Like people are just throwing comment in your comment box. They are appreciating you, so it works as a fuel for me. Like I
Yeah,
was just reading those or watching those comments. I try to get up again and try to have conversation more and more. So that makes me quite motivated.
yeah, they motivate us by dropping comment, and I also get motivated when they write comment in the comment section, and when I talk with them, they appreciate my work, and they say I am. When they say like that, I am get motivated by your video, so I feel happy. So at least
Mm, right.
I were able to I'm able to motivate at least one person. So
Right.
this make me happy.
Mm, right.
This is also good thing.
And yeah, great. So even I have not been uploading videos for 1 week. I think it's been over 1 week since I have not been uploading the videos. So I would think of uploading videos in upcoming days for sure. Yeah, I'm not,
Ah,
as
yeah,
I told you, yeah, I'm not consistent. So how can I upload videos over YouTube?
yeah. It's quite difficult, but when you are not able to upload long video, conversation video, so you can do one thing. So you can upload your short, make one short video and then upload it, so that you
Right.
will be consistent on the YouTube channel. I
Right.
also do the same. When I
Nice
don't get
suggestion.
the time, I make the short video and upload on my channel.
I was also thinking the same. Like, if I'm not able to upload the long videos, so why should not I, create short videos and upload them? It will
Yeah,
also create an impact to those people, even on myself. It will leave an impact. So yeah, I'm also thinking on
yeah.
that. But if I, when once if I, get over of all these things like construction and all those work, so I would definitely try to, explore so many things.
Yeah, you can do that things when you get time, but start uploading one short video. It doesn't take much
Mm,
time. It takes only 5 minutes
mm. You are right.
mm, to make content.
Like yeah, like it also in addition that like you also have to edit the video. You have to add the text into that video. So it takes a lot of. I mean, it takes time. Quite time. So
Don't don't edit it. Don't edit it. Just use some daily use sentences and upload that.
mm,
If you don't have
okay.
time, you can do like this. I also do the same. When I have lots
Mm,
of time, then I edit the video. Otherwise, I don't edit the video. I just upload
mm,
just as I made it, as I record that video.
mm,
Means I take only five sentences, small five sentences, and then upload. It is
mm.
not a rocket science we can do.
Yeah, it's yeah, sure. Okay, so how's about your grammar? Like, how is it going on? Like I think as I've sensed that you are more focused on grammar part of yourself. So, what about that?
Yeah,
How it is going on?
uh, yeah. That as I told you earlier, I was quite busy. So since 1 month, I'm not watching any content. I'm watching content, but I'm not focusing on my grammar portion. But now
Mm,
I'm thinking to do again. I have started from today also. I have started watching video on my grammar so that I can improve my communication skill. Because
mm,
when we don't practice, no, we forget everything. So I'm doing again all the things.
mm.
I don't know how
You're
many.
right.
So
Mm, right.
I watched
It
two
happens.
videos. But and one more things which I am missing. So when I speak on any topic, so I feel blank. I can
Mm,
able to speak only 10 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, but I want to speak more. So I'm planning to read more on any specific topic. Like if somebody give me to talk one word like yoga, I can speak, but I don't speak more on that topic. So I want to improve that skill. I'm thinking, but
Yeah.
my mind is not set. I'm a little bit upset. That is why I'm not able to do. If I try to do, I forget very easily.
Mm,
That is why
right.
I'm
Like,
giving space to myself.
and you are right. Like it also happens to me. Like when I speak over any topic, then I feel my mind gets blank. So I have observed, there are two reasons behind it. First is that you do not have the wide
Okay.
knowledge about that topic. You do not
Yeah.
have the good knowledge about that topic. That's why you feel difficulties to share your views, convey your thoughts about that uh, topic. And another is that you do not have vocabulary regarding that. So there are two main reasons that I found, I personally found. And the solution I have found is that before speaking on over any topic, you should first little bit you should little bit read about that topic. And then you can choose any topic. You can go Google or anything. You can read about the topic, and after that you can share your thoughts and views. By doing that, you can share your thoughts or ideas more effectively, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, right. This is also I'm going to do. Means what happened when we get the topic all of the sudden when we start conversing.
Exactly,
People
right.
want
Mm.
uh, it's means on the spot they give me topic and they want me to
Spontaneously, yeah, right.
that spontaneously. So, so I'm facing problem, but I know lots of topic on which we have to speak every day. So I'm trying to uh, get that topics and then I will research on that and I will read more and more on that topic. Then only we will able to speak on that topic because we have less content on any topic and
Mm.
less knowledge we can say. As you told, we
Right.
don't have knowledge about that. First, we have to get knowledge about every
Mm.
topic. And when
Right.
we start getting the knowledge about the topic, so the phrases and words and vocabulary will come automatically.
Yeah.
We
Right.
have
You
to
will come.
focus on knowledge first.
Right. Yeah. When we are searching for any topic, we come across a lot of new phrases and words. You are exactly
Yeah,
right.
that's
Yeah.
a good thing.
So, and
So means
if
we
you are,
nowadays we yeah
please
yeah
go
I
ahead.
was saying
Yeah.
we are able to form the sentences and we if we are getting stuck somewhere so we can manage everything
Mm.
but now
Right.
the main thing is lack of knowledge.
Right.
We have
And
to improve.
if you have lack of knowledge on any topic, you cannot speak about the topic in Hindi as well. You will get
Yeah,
stuck after two or three sentences in Hindi as well. I mean your native language as well. So you must have
right.
uh, uh, knowledge before having any conversation or debate or whatever.
Yeah, so we have to focus on knowledge first.
Mm.
Now our target is to gain more knowledge.
Right. And WhatsApp has introduced a new feature, Meta AI. Have you explored that?
No,
WhatsApp. So you can explore that and you can search there whatever you want.
I
Like
need
if
to
you are,
I need to update my WhatsApp.
yeah, yeah, right. So
I
it is
uploaded business. I have uploaded business WhatsApp.
okay.
So can
Yeah.
I?
So
But yeah,
yeah, you might get in that version also, but I'm not sure. But the version I'm using right now, like WhatsApp Messenger. So in that there is WhatsApp introduced a new feature that is Meta AI. You can simply go there, and it's like a Chat GPT or Google. You can search any topic, and it will provide you the content related to that particular topic. So it's
okay.
very effective. like you are going somewhere, traveling somewhere, you do not have the lead or earphone. If you want to learn English, if you want to work on your English language, so you can simply go and write a text there that give a short conversation. So it will provide you the content related to the conversation, so you can read it, and you can your polish or brush up your English language by doing that. So I found it very effective. So yeah, that's why I'm saying it.
Okay, I will search. First, I will update my WhatsApp and then I will check. If it is
Yeah,
there, so I will also try. It's good.
yeah,
We can improve. It means we can read more and more.
yeah, exactly. And you don't need to go anywhere. It is just in WhatsApp itself. So go and write something, and it will provide you content related to that.